Disgraced South Carolina attorney Alex Murdaugh is now serving 2 consecutive life sentences after a jury convicted him of killing his wife and his son. Maggie and Paul Murdaugh were shot and killed at the family's hunting estate in June of 2021.
Right now, there are questions of a possible Murdaugh connection to 2 other investigations. Our Taggart Houck joins us in studio to break it all down. Tag.
Nigel and Sydney, the trial lasted nearly 6 weeks, and in less than 3 hours, the 12-person jury convicted Murdaugh, and SLED is investigating 2 other deaths, including Murdaugh's former housekeeper.
Alex, anything to say?
The double murder trial of Alex Murdaugh featured more than 70 witnesses, from law enforcement to family. But maybe the most important piece of evidence was this video from the dog kennels, taken by Paul minutes before he and Maggie were killed.
What voices did you hear?
Paul's, Miss Maggie, Mr. Alec.
And how sure are you now?
Positive.
It placed Alec at the scene, something he repeatedly denied until he took the stand.
Other than lying to them about going to the kennel, I was cooperative in every aspect of this investigation.
NBC's Craig Melvin interviewed 3 members of the jury Monday morning on the Today Show.
The kennel video, it's something that he had lied about. It's something that was interesting because if he didn't do it, how did he know what time to lie about not being there?
I think it probably would have been a hung jury had not been for that video, but it's like he spoke from the grave.
Through it all, Murdaugh maintained his innocence.
I respect this court, but I'm innocent.
And it might not have been you. It might have been the monster you become when you take 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 opioid pills. Maybe you become another person.
Judge Clifton Newman sentenced him to 2 consecutive life sentences.
Today is not the end. It's the next step in a long road to justice for every person who has been victimized by Alex Murdaugh.
And there are questions about whether the Murdaughs were involved in the 2018 death of the family's former housekeeper, Gloria Satterfield, and Stephen Smith, whose body was found on the side of a Hampton County road in 2015. SLED is investigating both. In the Stephen Smith case, the agency tells WYFF4, quote, SLED has made progress in the death investigation of Stephen Smith. However, this investigation remains active and ongoing. And Murdaugh's defense attorneys say they will appeal the conviction and take it to the U.S. Supreme Court if they have to. Nigel.